Welcome to Bangkok, 47. Ken Morgan has booked the Queen Suite, but has yet to check in. You will find him in and around the restaurant. Oddly enough, Jordan Cross seems completely unaware of his presence. Cross and the class have set up a recording studio in the Emperor's Suite on the 3rd floor. Private security around Cross and his entourage is highly capable. Still, I'm sure you can find your way into his inner circle. After all, today is Jordan Cross's 27th birthday. The age when rock stars die. Good luck, 47.
Hello, sir. How are you today?
Checking in. Name's Tobias Reaper.
Thank you so much, sir. Here's your keycard. Welcome to the Hitman Hotel.
Welcome to the Hitman Hotel. Please follow me. I hope you'll enjoy your stay. That's for sure. Interesting topic. Yeah. Oh, where was I? Oh.
Quite the New York, London, of course, but I suppose we get all your finest chefs. Yes. Keep up the fine work. Ken Morgan. Check again for messages, please.
Hold on. No, still nothing. Frightfully silent.
Is my suite ready yet?
We gotta get this piece of shit!
Yeah.
Hey there.
Apparently they had this huge...
You know you're trespassing. Oh, I think you do.
I'm getting help. This is spiraling out of control. You need to do something. That much I saw a mean-looking guy snooping around. He was acting suspicious. He was trespassing.
Okay, thanks. That's a big help. I'll take a look. You see anyone sneaking around here?
Bingo.
Hey, a fellow guy. See you around, man. Why would someone like Jordan Cross be like a multi-billionaire by birth? Who the hell could have done this?
No. Oh! See what the hell that was? Absolutely.
We're upping security at the moment, sir, so I'm afraid I can't let you through here.
Motivators is in session. Jordan is sensitive today. Any other questions, ask the internet in the chat.
Oh, believe me, it's soundproof. Sound booth is soundproof, my friend. Okay?
Wait, what? What did you do?
Hotel staff. What they want with a case guitar pedal.
What the hell?
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
Which camp are you in? Accident? Murder?
What? Branson MP2?
Yep. Also known as Old Bar. Almost bankrupt.
Stop whining. What's going on? Hey, any guys need your help, doctor?
body of billionaire media mogul Thomas Cross was discovered earlier this evening, slain by multiple gunshot wounds. Cross was scandalously kidnapped this morning at the funeral of his only son, acclaimed rock musician Jordan Cross. A notorious recluse, Thomas Cross has not left private life in years, and authorities are now looking into a connection between the two deaths.
This was no coincidence.
Not by a long shot. Thomas Cross had billions in hidden offshore accounts, all stripped clean within hours of the kidnapping. Someone wanted the son dead to lure out the father. Someone smart enough to stay in the shadows while we did the wet work, and the Highmores picked up the check.
A shadow client. Someone got rich. The contract was just. How was this our problem?
I know you don't care about politics, 47. But ITA is neutral, always has been. Can't allow ourselves to be manipulated. Besides,
It's happened before.
Italy, Morocco, Paris. All our clients got their intel the same way. Anonymous tips from a hidden source. Each contract perfectly legit, yet part of a grander design.
I don't see the pattern.
Somebody does. The board has asked us to chase down this shadow client, and our analysts are closing in as we speak.
I know that tone.
Someone's playing a game, 47. The question is, against whom?